Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to interface LCD with 8051. So let us start with Microvision software. Here the code is for displaying a message on LCD. So this is a code. In this code we are loading both command codes as well as the data. So I think you can see here mycom label is mentioning you the command codes we are going to initialize the LCD, and the message we are going to display is CITech onto the LCD. So here from the origin using the DPTR register we are fetching the starting address of the command codes. Then we are clearing A, so that we are using MOVC instruction. In that we are fetching the starting data, that is a command code which is there in the mycom label. So thereby we are initializing the LCD by writing all the command codes onto the LCD. Then after finishing initialization of the LCD display, then we are going to send the data. So in order to fetch the characters which are there in the message, so total 6 characters are there. So we have taken 6 here, the count. Then using the starting address which is there in the my data, so you are fetching each character at a time. So in that case, we need to increment the DPTR and we need to take all the 6 characters. So when it becomes 0, it will come out. So here in this way, you are going to do a writing part as well as means the command write as well as the data write. So these are the subroutines for writing the command codes and writing the data. So this is a code. Let us see how this code will be dumped onto a LCD. That is, we need to connect our PC COM with 8051 microcontroller, single chip microcontroller. That in turn is connected with a LCD display. So first we need to save this. We need to select the file, save this, and translate. To translate to check whether any errors are there or not. So here it is showing no errors and 0 warnings. So next we need to build. So here it will be creating. In the previous video we discussed about how to create the hex file. So initially you need to go for target here, right click on this and options for the target, and here we need to select output and we need to check this box, so that you'll be, whenever you build the code, it will be creating the X file. So that X file we need to dump. So now we need to open the Atmel flip. So in this, again, good for chip, which target device you are using. So select this, say OK. Then we need to go for the RS32. So before dumping this, okay, we need to make the connections, hardware connections with the PC. So let us see that now, how to make the hardware connections. So this is how we need to. Okay, again from the CPU, we are connected one connector here with RS32. So this cable is connected with a 8089 C5182 single chip. So this is the same procedure. Again, we need to connect this cable RS32 and flat ribbon cable to your LCD. Okay, this is your keypad LCD interface. So for that, from your 8051 microcontroller kit to the LCD kit, we need to connect this flat ribbon cable. Then we need to provide a power supply for the 8051 microcontroller kit. Then for the LCD also, so we have given a power supply here for this, and here a message will be displayed. So before means after making these connections, we need to power on. Okay, again we need to come back to the Atmel. Here in this again we need to share. I'll share the screen and I'll show you how to download this. So now you come back to RS32. Now power is on. So your 8051 kit is powered on. So we can make a connection now. And before that, we need to choose this COM port. So since we are connected to COM3, so you can connect this. And now we need to download the X file. So load X file. So it was there in the project name interfacing. So we need to select the interfacing.x, then say OK. Now we need to run, so that you are writing this Xcode onto your 8051 kit. In that 8051 microcontroller is there. So on that it will be dumped. Once it is dumped, so to run that code, we need to start the application. I do the start application, then you can see the display means your message displaying on the LCD. I'll do the start application, then I'll stop sharing, and the means CI Tech message is displayed. Okay, this is how we need to connect the LCD with the 8051 through PC. Thank you.